If you want to download and install Firefox browser on your Mac, I show you how you need to do. First, turn on the Wi-Fi and open the browser you usually use. I just open Safari. You can literally use any browser and click the search and type Firefox download and search and open the first link. Scroll down and download Firefox. So here we don't need to do anything. It will automatically download once you come to this page. It will ask like this, just click allow. That's it. If you click the download option, so here you can see Firefox app is downloading. Just wait until it completes. It's like 154 megabytes, but it shows 11 minutes. My Wi-Fi connection was very slow. Okay, now it's installed. Just double click over that. Now drag and drop it. Just wait. Once you hear the sound, it's done. Now close this everything. We don't need this anymore. And click apps. Here you can see Firefox. Just open that. Just wait. First time it will ask like this. Click open. That's it. Continue. That's it. This is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about MacBook, you need to watch this playlist.